Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. Coming to you from Residence Beach this morning. It's Friday, August 20, 2021. I was just reading one of our local papers, and there's another census out. Lots and lots of stats, but the overall is that there are more people coming to Florida than there are properties being built to house them. We continue to push eastward in Naples towards Miami, but at some point they're going to run out of land. They're going to have to come back and backfill and redevelop properties in order to keep up with the amount of people coming to Florida. That's a good problem for a realtor to have, also a good problem for a landlord to have. I've got a lot of places in Southwest Florida for rent, no vacancies. And obviously everyone's familiar with how busy the market is. But there's still off-market properties and there's still places to rent. So if you want to buy or sell or rent or invest or build, commercial or residential, give me a call. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, 219-406-6482. 219-406-6482. It's going to be another beautiful day in Southwest Florida. Make it a great day. Have a great weekend.